Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the keybinds in Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced. Let's begin by opening the main menu. Do so by pressing the escape key on the keyboard or the menu key on the controller. This will take you to the main menu, of course, and here pick Options. In Options, go to Controls. One little thing, I cannot actually show you how to customize the controls for the controller. I literally don't have access, because I don't own a controller. So I will need to showcase those settings to you via the mouse and keyboard settings. I hope that's enough for you. Let's start off by actually seeing the preview. Here you can see the default preview for the layout for the character, the ship steering and shortcuts. You can simply learn how to do, well, basically anything from those charts, so it's quite useful. There is also the Customize Controls menu. In here you can customize those very shortcuts we saw earlier by either by selecting well, let me showcase you, show it to you. For example, I want to change move forward from W to the up arrow. I click on this space and then input the new key. As you can see, now there is some collision, I think, with other inputs. I think between shortcuts and character. Somewhere. Yes, camera up is the up arrow. This may prevent you from actually saving. So you may need to unassign. How to do that? Hover over the key you wish to unassign and simply press X. As you can see, this completely clears the keybind from this section. I will re-input the W for move forward. There are also options to choose between I'm sorry. There is an option to set up an alternative input. Let me showcase this right here. No. Apparently not. This also serves as the which is weird, honestly, because it highlights not as a one section but as two. Anyway, I'm sorry for that. Yeah, you cannot change press or hold right here from what I see. There are some settings where you can switch between, for example, in sprint you can switch between toggle and hold. The same goes for walk. You can swap between toggle and hold. What I did right here was I made a mistake. I set right mouse button, left mouse button as sprint, and I simply hit reset. Simply tapping reset will reset a single option. If you hold reset, it will reset all changes in this menu. Right, one more thing, I will go through available actions and simply read them out to you. So you can know what you can actually change. There are of course the movement keys. Move forward, move backward, move left, move right. Parkour up, jump, drop down, dive, crouch, sprint, walk, auto movement. Under combat there is attack, assassinate, lock target, parry, deflect, dodge, roll, human shield, takedown, aim, ranged abilities, shoot, use tool, pistol, reload, pistols, rope dart, smoke bomb, blow pipe, kick, sweep, use quick use pistol, quick use rope dart, And under actions there is interact, location tracker, eagle vision, heal, pathfinder, a quick use smoke bomb, throw coins, whistle, advance time, toggle hood, sheath unsheath weapon. And that's all for the character menu. Of course there are two more, there is ships and shortcuts. Under ships we have raise sails, lower sails, steer left, steer right. In combat is aim primary ability, fire primary ability, secondary firing mode, aim mortar, use swivel guns, ramming ability, brace. Under actions there is interact, pathfinder, follow C, location tracker, toggle shanties, shanty wheel, cycle shanty wheel left, cycle shanty wheel right. There is spyglass zoom in, zoom out, spyglass tag, and naval hints. Under shortcuts there is the interact, pathfinder, location tracker, world, quest log, ship, codex, inventory, toggle HUD, photo mode, performance analyzer. Under camera there is camera up, camera down, camera left and camera right. Once you are done, simply press the back button, press it once again. I'm sorry, I will actually check one thing. If you actually, because I didn't actually change anything, I will try to no, right, H works. So do I have to hit save at any point? No, you don't have to, so you simply back out of the menu after you make your changes. And well, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.